Hey everyone, welcome to Review Monday, where we review our previous trade to make improvement. Let's dive right in.
So today I want to talk about a trade that I missed last month. As you can see, this is a Hang Seng stock index and it's been operating in this channel. Dropping down to the hourly, you can see my horizontal line. I wanted to short it in this head and shoulder pattern. However, it was high spread during UK evening nighttime around 10-11, and then by the time it's dropping lower is already after my wake up time. That's why I missed it. Lesson learned. Next time if I see an opportunity like that, I would have to get up around 3-4 a.m. to set my order.
Don't forget, tomorrow is Trade Tuesday, which we will review the best trading opportunity. So do subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Thank you.